If you catch yourself saying one of these two things, you probably just cost yourself a sale and a lot of money. Here's the first one. Did I catch you at a bad time? Here's the second one. If you've got 5 minutes, I'd like to talk to you about blank. If you're saying any derivation of, did I catch you at a bad time? Is now a good time to talk? Or, do you have 5 minutes so I can tell you about our new blah blah blah? It's pathetic. It's weak. This is why people hate salespeople. You've got to learn how to be more effective. You've got to learn how to be more skillful. You've got to learn how to be credible and have authority if you want people to listen to you. Stop saying, did I catch you at a bad time? It's always a bad time. And for sure, stop saying if you've got 5 minutes. Nothing in this world of any value only takes 5 minutes. They know you're lying to them. And that's a terrible way to start a relationship with anybody. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.